After a very long waiting time, I finally got the Tri-Charge. It was a gift for Saint Nicholas a long time ago from my girlfriend, but it just arrived and whew, it is awesome. Let's look at it. Welcome in the studio, guys. Finally, my Tri-Charge is here and we will take a look at it because it is the best camera accessory for 2024. It was released in 2023, but oh man, I can't wait to use it in a real way. If you don't know me, my name is Flash and I am a content creator here on YouTube for more than 8 years, and this is my new English channel, and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tech or studio related stuff, and let me tell you a bit about the Tri-Charge. This is a product designed by Peter Lindgren, which is a tech or camera content creator on YouTube. Really nice guy. I really like his channel. And this comes packaged in a cardboard box. Really nice box, sturdy. And the product itself should hold 3 batteries. This one is for Sony, but it is also available for Canon and other camera brands, I think Nikon, not sure. But it doesn't only hold the 3 batteries, it also holds SD cards, micro SD cards and CF Express Type A cards, the ones used for the Sony cameras. Also in the box there is included a code for his Final Cut course, 15% off, and this is it. It was a long time since my girlfriend ordered this charger for me because it was on pre-order. So if you want to buy this charger, you go on Jupio's website and you need to be very careful at the product's stock status, because even if it is not in stock you can order it, and that's the thing. I've asked Peter in the comments when it will be restocked, but he didn't answer because yeah, probably I was in a hurry and didn't realize that it is pre-order, and even if it is not in stock you can order it. It took a long time to arrive. I've had some issues. I mean, she had some issues with the delivery, but now finally it is here and whew, it is awesome. I have 3 batteries inside, and the main purpose of this case is to hold the batteries. There are more purposes. Wait. Charge the batteries, hold the batteries. Also, it acts like a power bank. If you need some juice for your phone, maybe when you are on the go, you just plug the USB-C cable, it says right here, out, and then it will act as a power bank for your other devices. It is really, really awesome because you have here the power that you need to film everything, and also the memory that you need to film anything you want. 3 SD cards, 2 in the camera, micro SD cards for your action cam or your drone, and also CF Express if you have the money to go with the CF Express cards, which I don't have right now. The quality of the product is really nice. It looks like a lot with the DJI products when it comes to the build quality or plastic quality. It has 4 LEDs over each one of the, or under each one of the batteries, and those LEDs show you how much juice you have left in each battery. Also they light up when you charge the batteries, and a key thing in my opinion is that the charger prioritizes the most fully battery that you have inside when you connect it, so you will have as fast as you can a fully charged battery. Really nice. It is not 3D printed, I think it is injection molded, and the only thing that could be disassembled, let's say, in case of a repair, is the bottom side, which looks like it's held on with some double adhesive tape. And if you want to take a look at the charger specs that you will need for this tri-charge, you can take a look here. Size wise, it is the same width as the camera, so if you keep your camera vertically in your camera bag, it will fit in a slot right there, no problem. In my Temba Axis V2 24-liter bag, which you can see on the channel because I reviewed it, you can fit it perfectly in any compartment using the dividers. So yeah, really nice. And talking about the design again, it is a really clean product on the back and on the sides, so if you want to put some stickers on it, you can without any issue. And on the front you have a really small Jupio logo, because the charger is produced by Jupio, which is a battery, third-party battery and chargers manufacturer. And on the front, on the middle battery slot, there's Peter's logo, which looks like Transformers or something like this. Do you like it, and would you buy one, or did you already got one? What do you think about it? I think this is the best camera accessory for 2024. I hope you liked this video, and it was filmed on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And don't forget to check out the color grading video that I've made for it, because color grading the Pocket 3 footage is really easy. I'm Flash, and I will see you soon. They call me a